Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to unblock any website on school Chromebook. Now firstly, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Once you're in the browser, you have to turn on the VPN. Now this VPN you can find anywhere on Google. Just download the VPN extension. Now I'm going to turn on the VPN and try searching for websites that are not allowed. Now once you're on your school Chromebook, and you open the Google browser, you won't be allowed many websites, just like Facebook. So once I've turned on the VPN, I'm going to show you how to access Facebook. Just go to your browser and search for Facebook. Now this will lead you to the Facebook login page. You can log in your Facebook account. And from there you can surf any website. I apologize for my internet, it's been acting up lately. But you get the point, how to use it. And there you go. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.